This kit comes packaged in a tin box measuring 3 by 3 by 1.5 inches. This compact kit is convenient to take with you on short trips. By virtue of its small size, low weight and smaller flints, it's particularly suitable for young travellers. Included in the kit are instructions in English, German, French, Spanish and Russian. These detailed step-by-step instructions will help you to make a fire even if you've never held a steel striker in your hands before. They are also illustrated with colour photographs, so even if you've never seen how a fire can be made using a fire steel or haven't watched our videos, you'll still be easily able to make a fire on your own. There's also a bundle of jute twine, which you'll need when preparing your dry kindling, and a tinderbox made of tin with 30 pieces of charcloth tinder carefully placed inside. One piece ought to be enough for you to make a fire. Later on, you can use the box and any natural cotton or linen fabric to make more tinder over a fire. There's also a forged steel striker. The length of the one in this kit is 2.36 inches. There's also a piece of flint. When you strike the flint with a steel striker, sparks will be produced. These sparks will fall onto your tinder, which will then begin to smoulder. The smouldering tinder is placed within a pile of dry kindling and then blown upon to produce a flame.